Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is going to be the 14th video of this lesson. The title of the lesson is Event Horizon O level. Those who have missed my live lecture should go through this video in order to understand the lesson in deep. This is one of the most important chapter for your board exam. Please, one of the lengthiest and most important lesson for your board exam. So please don't forget to listen this video if you have missed my live lecture. Finally he spoke. It was that bloody correction slip, I suppose, and he was shouting, saying that it was my mistake and I forgot that correction slip, and because of that you were able to find me, you were able to get me over here. Well, the governor failed to mask the deep sadness in the voice. There are few people who know little German. Slowly, very slowly, Ivan relaxed. He was beaten and he knew it. Ivan was knowing it well that he was beaten. He knew it personally well that he got defeated, and at last he surrendered himself. He sat up at last and managed to smile ruefully. He was there laughing at governor. Ruefully means with sorrow and regret that he was once again beaten by governor. You know, it was really a mistake. You see, we hadn't been able to fix up any hotel, but we couldn't have worked that some other way. It was our mistake, and because we are not able to fix any hotel that day, and we did not have that much time, and we had no other option but to do that. No, the really important thing was for the phone to ring just before the exam finished. The most thing for us was booking the hotel, but apart from this, the most important thing for us was to ring just before the exam finish, to get everyone out of the way for a couple of minutes, right? And so we had to know exactly when the exam started, didn't we? So it was very important, it was very crucial for us to know that when did the exam start, right, and when did it finish. So when we come to, and obviously because they had a fake calling in the name of governor to Stefan that to escort McClary till the gate, and that was important. Like a fool, I presented you with a little piece of information on a plate, and like a fool I gave you because of that correction slip which I forgot, and I gave you that total information about me, the place where I was supposed to go. Well, somebody did. So you see, sir, that correction slip killed two little birds with a single stone, didn't it? The name of the hotel for me and the exact time the exam started, and all these. So he was saying to the governor that correction slip did two works. First, he came to know the exam started, and the second is the time of the finishing of exam. The governor nodded. It's a pretty common word. Yeah. Good job. It's pretty common, sir. Or I would never have known where to come to, would I? And says that this is a word by which I come to know your exact place that you are. Nice name, Dozam Golden in Loven. It is nice name. That's okay. How did you know which golden lion it was? There is hundreds of them, and I even asked him a question that there are 100 hotel like this naming golden lion, Zam Golden Lion, but तुझे एग्जैक्ट पता ही किस तरह चला कि हम यहाँ पे ही है? How exactly did you come to know that we are over here only? Same as you. Evans, index number 313, that teacher made you write 313, your friend, center number 27. By this way I came to know. Remember 6 figure, and if you take an ordnance survey map of Oxford और आप मैप लेंगे तो ये नंबर यहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं मैप में. You find that 6 figure reference 31327 lands you bang in the middle of Chipping Norton. आपको यहाँ पे ही आपको ले जाएंगे. Yeah, you are right. We had hoped you would run off to a Newbury. हमको तो पता था कि आप न्यूबेरी पे दौड़ेंगे, and we did. Well, that's something I suppose. That question paper, Evans, could you really understand all that German? I could hardly. And governor asked me one more question, that were you able to understand that question paper? And governor was saying that I could hardly understand. And what did they even say? No, of course I couldn't. I knew roughly what it was all about, but we just hope it would throw few spanners in the works. We made the people confused. That's only. I even didn't have that much knowledge of German. Only few words, sort of muddle everybody a bit, and we wanted to make everyone confused. That's all only. The governor stood up. Tell me one thing before we go. How on earth did you get all that blood to pour over your head? How were you able to get that blood? वो blood किस तरह तू manage कर पाया? And over your head, how were you able to? From where did you get that blood? Ivan suddenly looked little happier, and he was so happy to listen that clever sir, very very clever. That was how to get couple of pints, unit of liquid, that is pints of blood into a cell. When there is none there to start off with, when the invigilator and shall we say gets judged before comes in, yes sir, you can well ask about that. I don't, if I ought to tell you, after all I might want to use that particular. So he was very reluctant to tell about that plan that he had, how he was able to get that blood inside the jail, and he was not ready to share it, and he was there giving answer in a diplomatic way. But the governor was very clever enough to understand his strategy and say that even anything to do with little rubber ring for piles, कहीं वो ब्लड तो लिटर रबर रिंग है उसमें तो तुम नहीं लेके आया था ना. Perhaps even grin feebly, clever though, wasn't it? And he was laughing, and he says that yes, you are right. Must have been tricky job sticking a couple of pints. ये ब्लड को इस तरह स्टिक करना किसी भी तरह वहाँ पे बहुत स्टिकी जॉब होगी. या यू हैव गॉट इट रॉन्ग सर, नो प्रॉब्लम अबाउट दैट. उसका तो हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता. नो, इट्स अ क्लोटिंग. यू सी, द प्रॉब्लम वाज अबाउट क्लोटिंग ऑफ दैट ब्लड, that's a big trouble. We got the blood easy enough, pig's blood. We got the blood easy enough, pig's blood, and it was from the slaughterhouse in Killington. But to stop it clotting, you have got to mix your actual blood. Even took a breath with 1/10 of its own volume, 3.8% of trisodium citrate. Didn't know that, did you, sir? It was very difficult for us. To keep the blood in that way as it is. We were afraid of. Ivan was saying that we were afraid of getting blood clotted. वो जम जाएगा. So what we had in order not to get blood clotted, we had volume of 3.8% trisodium citrate, right? The governor shook his head in a token of reluctant admiration. He was not ready to admit. We learn something new every day, and that tell me, come on, okay, हम कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखते हैं. Come on, let's go ahead. The governor shook his head in a token of reluctant admiration. We learn something new every day. They tell me, come on, my lad. Even made no show of resistance, and side by side, the two men walked slowly the stair. Now, governor was taking him to the jail once again. Tell me, Ivan, how did you manage to plan all this business? You have had no visitor. I have seen to that. You had no letters. And he was surprised to know that. Governor, you tell me, how were you able to execute your plan where you had no visitors, no visitor, no letters? इतना बड़ा प्लान तू किस तरह कर पाया? I have got lots of friends. मेरे तो बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं. What's that supposed to mean? इसका मतलब क्या है? Me German teacher for start. शुरुआत में ही सबसे पहले ही जर्मन टीचर था. उसने तो शुरुआत की थी ये प्लान की. Oh, you mean, but he was from technical college. गवर्नर कहते ये तो टेक्निकल कॉलेज से था. किस तरह पता चला? Was it? Even was almost enjoying it all now. Ever check up in sir आपने उसको कभी चेकअप किया उसको? God Almighty, there is far more going on than always will be sir. क्या क्या आपने प्लान किया होगा मुझे पता ही नहीं, right? And he says that yes, it will always be like this. God Almighty, always be sir. Everything ready? Asked the governor as they stood by the reception desk, and they both were standing at the reception desk. Everything ready? Asked the governor as they stood by the reception. The vans out the front, sir, and the pretty blonde receptionist even winked at her, and she winked back at him. It almost made his day. And they both wink at each other, and by this way they both wink at each other. A silent prison officer handcuffed the recapture. We inshallah will begin the 15 video from here. Only 2 or 3 paragraphs left. Allah Hafiz.